Hello and welcome to the Robotic Work Cell housed in the Engineering Research Building. This work cell primarily focuses on industrial automation and simulating what is seen in industrial warehouses and manufacturing. Some things that can be done within this work cell include picking and placing, palletizing and depalletizing, and sorting. In this video, we're going to go through the components and talk about how everything is connected and the application we want to produce with this work cell.
So, I'm going to be telling you about the specification of this robot. This robot is a Mitsubishi RVH CRL robot arm, which is combined of 6 axes in total and 2 additional axes. So on this robot, we have the 7th additional axis as the linear rail. This linear rail is mainly controlled by this servo motor right over here.
So for the communication aspect of the robot, the PLC communicates using this CC link, which has an Ethernet wire connected to this Ethernet switch, and it communicates via TCP/IP protocol, and that's how you get a three-way communication between robot, PLC, and the PC. So in order to program the movements of the robot arm itself, we're going to use a software called RT Toolbox 3. So in RT Toolbox 3, we can program different joint movements and different position movements for the robot. We can set different joint limits using a motion limits part of it, where we can specify what are the boundaries of the robot. We can also use jogs to move the robot manually, where we can use the plus and minus to move the robots in a different direction. Now, the RT Toolbox also sends signals to the PLC, and we can code the PLC using a software provided by Mitsubishi called GXWorks 3. In GXWorks 3, we write a program using the language called ladder logic, in which we program different wiring of the circuits using different contacts and coils. And that is where we trigger the solenoid valves, we trigger the light tower to work.
So robot arm is located inside the case, which is a protective layer from the outside world. We do have 3 emergency switches, which is one located outside the case, one inside the case, and one on the teaching pedant. We do have a light tower, which shows the operation of work cell. We do have inductive switches at the 2 ends, which protect from getting outside the linear rail.
So by programming this robot, we can make it do lots of different jobs in areas like putting together and making things and painting. It's also about saving money and time. So using this robot means we can do a lot of things more quickly and accurately than before. It's a big step forward in making our work easier and more efficient.